My name is Georgie Stevenson.
I'm Cooper Stevenson.
And together we are the founders of Naked Harvest Supplements. We really saw a gap in the market where natural supplements weren't being offered that actually did the trick, but also tasted really good. With our ranges, we've really tried to help an everyday person optimize their whole day and just lead a healthy lifestyle.
At the start of Naked Harvest, we were using packing peanuts that were biodegradable.
We realized it wasn't efficient, and we realized that we could streamline things and make it faster.
Signet recommended us to turn to the FillPak TT machine. This gives us a brown paper void filler.
And also helps with having less damages.
A Naked Harvest order, we form a cardboard box. We would then put our products inside the box. If there's any void, we would use our FillPak TT paper. After this, we would put in our information cards and then seal it with our recycled tape.
Since switching to the FillPak TT, we've seen a 25% reduction in our packaging time.
From the start, we've always strived to be environmentally friendly in the business.
It's really important for us to make sure in our warehouse we do have sustainable practices and sustainable packaging. I think also what's really important is our customers' experience. So when they're getting the package, they know it's packed or sustainable.